Hello again, my loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. And I have a very fun unboxing for you. Um, Recently, I was added to the Jolie Kit Club design team, and this is my first kit. So this is the November kit. It is a kit club. I will have all the information for them down below where you can go ahead and get yourself one of these splendid kits. Now, I did have some add-on kits that I had ordered as well. These are some of the coolest kits that I have seen. Let me go ahead and get this out of the way and open this up so I do have all my information boxed. And all I did was cut it so you guys don't have to see me struggle. There are two sweet pieces of candy, chocolate, waving the girl's heart here. This kit club is out of Chicago, Illinois. Alright, so I got the cards, tags, and more kit, which is this one right here. And then over here, I've got the scrapbooking kit. And then there were just some extra bits and bobs that Kim added on, who is the owner of the Kit Club. So I thought that was really special. And thank you. Thank you. Get my little cheaty note out of the way now. Lots of glare going on, so I will apologize. So first, let's go through the kit that you will see me designing with this month. And so this is that kits, cards, tags, and more. I'm going to be able to show you how you can use this fabulous kit to make all kinds of fun projects, layouts, and such. And you know, I may even surprise you and make a card as well, right? All right, so we have this beautiful paper here. So there's this one right here. Hark, hark, the dogs. I can't read that, but that is a beautiful music sheet. I love that. All right, so we've got that little music sheet. Then we have the Sweet Celebrate Life, little fussy cut pieces here. Love blooms here, treasure, make today beautiful. Some more fussy cut pieces. Okay. Ooh, look at this one. Beautiful lace. My favorite mixed media needs to be done on that. Let's pull this out of the way. And this is a super nice, thick quality paper. We have this one here, fussy cut options. Oh my god, I love this. Oh, you guys know I'm going to be fussy cutting those out. A nice little tone on tone. So what it looks like is you could cut this in half, and you have this one, and then you have this sheet. And then just a beautiful piece of mixed dyeing for mixed media paper. A whole bunch more mixed or embellishments that are just begging to be cut out. Oh, look at those. A little celebrate. Life is beautiful, thankful. Look at that purple. That is a beautiful deep purple. And then on the back, just a very fun pink. Oh, I need to cut that out. Okay. And then another one of those too. It's like a little light BB blue. And then some notebook paper. And then we have all these fun laser cut tags and embellishments, like the name of the club. So we've got a nice little square, got a fun little shaker packet wannabe, the little circle that was in there, a little tag. Oh, that one's cute, like a little pull-out. Oh, make a little pocket, another little square, a jean pocket. Like this is, in my head, this is what I'm thinking these are. Oh my god. Another little tag, or a tab, not tag. This is a tag. Rounded corners. Another little slider pocket dying to be made. A little tab. Oh, beautiful. Another little tab. And then a little archway. Oh, the ideas are flowing. So there's that. And then we get some Prima handmade flowers in pink. And then some very fun little tickets. I love the tickets. I love everything. Right, and then we have two little wood pieces, little butterflies, little wood veneers. Hope the glare is not too bad. I'm gonna make it. I'm trying, you guys. There we go. Maybe that's better. It's dark out. It's like dirty out. It's cold. Two more. So we've got two little butterfly pieces that are like just the half wing, and then we got these guys, which is the full wing. And then we have this beautiful little packet full of all kinds of fun ephemera. Okay, oh, chipboard and all kinds of love this stuff. Oops. All right, so we've got Mapleview Farm Dairy Buttermilk chipboard piece, and then we have enclosure. And then another little Pure Fresh Milk, fragile, do not drop, handle with care. This little fun, like, postage stamp. Wow, words, hard. Then another cute little, like, painter's palette. Nashville Pure Milk. I need to do a milk layout. Raw milk. New Jersey raw milk. What is raw milk? Is that non-pasteurized? I think it is. Mary milk. What eggnog? Bush milk. I love these. These are like so vintage. Howard Page medium cream. Another cute little tag. Another little chipboard piece. Little airmail. Fun little ticket. Like a receipt ticket. Theater. Restaurant. Oh my god, I'm loving this. Oh my god, look at the little birdie. Herald Square loose leaf patches. Looks like my grandma's handwriting, so that's cute. Got a little milky one, a library card. Oh, and then some butterflies that want to be cut out. Okay, so that all comes in your, what is it, the cards, tags, and more. Okay. Just round up all my fun pieces. I cannot wait to dive in and create with this. I honestly, so I'll also be having a blog up on the Jolie blog, so you guys can see that, and we'll have videos. Obviously, you guys know I like to do the videos, so I will be doing videos for all my projects, which will go up on my channel and their channel. So stay tuned, and please head over to their channel, their Facebook group, and all their fun stuff. Join in, show Kim some love, because these are beautifully curated kits. Like, I am beyond, oh, and super sweet, super helpful, fabulous to work with. So if you have the pleasure, you should definitely head over there and see what is up. Order yourself a kit. This took, I believe, a day to get to me. So seriously, you guys, she ships out super fast. I am like 5 hours from Chicago. I don't know if that makes a difference. And so it would just depend on where you are. Alright, so there's that Beautimus kit. And I got candy. So really there, you won me over, you know? Alright, so there is that fabulous kit. And then we have the scrapbooking kit, which is beyond gorge as well. Now, I haven't looked at any of these. So we're looking at them together for the first time. I did get a sneak peek, but in person is like, what? So much going on. Okay, so we got this one here. Look at that. It is a plaid on the diagonal, but it's like muted with mixed media. Super thick. Oh, and those are like dream catchers. That is like, that wants to be cut out. It just wants to be fussy cut out. And we've got this, and the branding strips are like super uber usable. We've got this beautiful piece of paper here. Oh, look at this. This is like little blue and white florals, and then we've got some mixed media kind of like spread throughout. You guys know I love that type of like where it kind of it's dark and light, not all there. It's not a perfect stamp. That's my jam. Oh. Oh, this has my heart in every way. I think it goes this way. I don't know which way it goes because it could go either way. It's gorgeous. But yes, this right here is begging me to cut it out as well. Oh my goodness. Look at this. The wood grain like the muted. You would have done mixed media with the vines. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. That's, oh yes. Oh you guys, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. All right, and we've got this beautiful piece here, which is just a very fabulous background, looking like it's a linen paper. Oh, look at the cute little house and all like the little hanging votive candles or tea lights. Oh, simply gorgeous. Oh, and some burlap. Oh, 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 can you guys see this? And then some more of those beautiful blue clusters with like this fun lace bit going in there. And then this is like patterned paper on wood grain. Oh, look at that beautiful little house. Oh my God, that needs everything. I just want to fussy cut it all out. I don't know why. Good that I have a fussy cut sheet. Family journal, the little house, the little dream catcher. I think those are dream catchers, aren't they? The cake, oh, the horse, the photo frame, oh, beautiful. Okay. It also comes with one giant doily. Loving that. Okay. And then within the bag of goodies, we've got pocket cards. So there's the little horsey again with a different frame. And then on the back of that is just some cream tone-on-tone pattern. Then we've got more of those little dream catchers, same on the back. So all the backs are the same. So all the backs are that, so I'm not going to show you the backs anymore. Got this beautiful pattern paper again. Actually, I thought that was 2 cards. Oh! More frames. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at those, you guys. These are all begging to be just like these is a shaker pocket all day, every day. Then this one goes this way, a little postcard, just for some added little oomph behind it, right? Oh, oh, there's more. I totally covered up the, really. Oh, and then we have some wood veneer, which is like, oh, look at how fine that is. Look at how delicate the little florals are. That's beautiful. And then we have some Prima. This is Bohemian Heart ephemera. Oh, look at that. You get 2 of each of these. Come on, camera, focus. Why do you not want to be my friend, camera? Come on. We got to ease it into it. My camera's been moody lately. All right, fine. We'll just go through it all, camera. I don't need you. Oh, I can't. If I open it, then I'm going to have to find another little baggie. So we'll go through that at a later date. We have got some Prima flowers in that beautiful blue color. And we have some more Prima flowers. You guys, these are so gorgeous. I have been dying to get my hands on some of these flowers, so I am super happy girl right here. And we have these 2 pieces right here. I don't know if you can see. That right there is just the bits that are falling out now, which is totally fine. Like just like a die cut, you just gotta knock them out. So that is like topper and a bottomer. Oof. Kim, this is a smashing Beautiful, awesome. Cannot get enough of this kit. Both of them. Ooh, this is like something that kit that your dreams are made of. You girls and guys, you need to get yourself some of these kits. So this is the January kit. The February kit is probably just as fabulous, if not more so. Okay. And then a few of the little extras that she sent in, along with my is, look at that. I don't know what those florals are called, but that is one big wooden piece that's begging to be used. Then we have some of these little arrow like gears, and oh, those are just so pretty. I'm afraid they're going to fall out. I'm going to go ahead and just close that right in. Do that. Yeah, we are. We have some more of those pieces, like those little top and bottom, so you can like frame your photo. And then some beautifully elegant little corner pieces, and those are all wood veneers. So you guys, I will be creating with these kits all month long. So head back. Don't forget to head over to the Trace Jolie, the blog, the Facebook, all the fun things, the Instagram, and give this kit club some love. Come on, you guys, you can do it. Let's boost them up. Let's show them that we love this kit, all of them. So here is that one again. And we'll probably get that put back in the bag because I do not want to lose any of these pieces. And that one. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.